Nearest neighbors. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. So I've been reading a bunch of different things, and I've seen this one a lot, and we're going to be diving into it. Probably next video, we're either going to be doing this next video or trying to find the plot points of the linear lines. But this is an actually unbelievably interesting scenario where you're taking the neighbor and you're making decisions from it. But it's called, sklearn neighbors, nearest neighbors, K neighbors. I've heard all a little bit about these. I've heard, I think way long time ago, I heard about K nearest neighbor, and I guess, or that's the way I recalled it. But sklearn neighbors, nearest neighbors, and then here are all of the functions. Never heard of ball tree, but we're going to begin to go through, and wow, and I guess I just noticed this right here. Neural network models, and those are supervised and unsupervised. So we haven't really talked about that. That actually may lead me into a discussion of what the difference between supervised and unsupervised is. So actually, I need to make a note of that. But I really hope that you guys are taking these videos and allowing them to catapult you into your own discoveries. I just don't want you to take this and get spoon-fed of the information that I want. I want this to strike an interest, strike a nerve, have you become more interested, and you take your own path. Just like I did with the last video where I hypothesized that we were going to have some sort of point where our max-min boundary for our X and our Y crossed. And nobody else has a video on that anywhere on the internet, or from what I could find. I searched some. But I'm on this journey for machine learning. I still know nothing. Okay, here's the term. K nearest neighbors. It's the linear regression. I thought I had seen that before. Regression based on K nearest neighbors. All right. So maybe we'll start there. Yeah. Neighbors, K neighbors regressor. So it takes the same data and does linear regression. All right. So actually, we will do this next video and maybe go back to the other fit. But it has the same type. We bring this in and then we assign the fit. But back to what I was saying. Finding a catapult, a catalyst, something to propel you and being interested. Because yes, watching these, yes, you'll learn something at some level, but it will not be as deep and the breadth won't be as much until you get in and you start doing it. I am trying to pique an interest and challenge you to go and look and expand and do more research on yourself. Like, what if I do this? Well, what if I change this? What if I do this over here? Because next we're going to be needing to maybe go back to our Uber data and figure out a way to classify what each of those trips were. Are they the most cost-effective trip? Do we make the most money off of it? Is it the shortest distance? We need to begin to classify these because yes, we have data, but what is it? Is it a good trip? Is it a bad trip? Is it a high margin trip? How do we begin to rank and classify our data? What way do we need to look at it? So you're on this journey with me. I'm logging these videos here to keep me motivated to learn machine learning because I'm extremely interested in it. So I hope this is keeping your interest and exciting you about machine learning and having you want to learn more yourself. So please make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server, hitting that like, subscribe button, notification bell, dropping any comments, video requests, either here or over on the Discord server. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.